Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the game Top Heroes for iOS and Android with unlimited resources, as you just saw. So in order to get this, we need to visit a fun place. It's called hexmods.com. So let me just type that in right here. So once you're on the site, you're going to see a ton of apps. You might get a bit overwhelmed, but just go to the search bar and find Top Heroes. And that's not it. Let me just try this again. All right, so there it is, Top Heroes hack. So press down button and begin mod download. Now before it downloads, guys, you will have to do a verification, which is a one-time process where you have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. All right, so basically what happens is it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. So it doesn't matter which app you do, just make sure you download 2 of them. And by the way, they each have different instructions, so like earn 5k coins, run for 30 seconds, whatever. So just press tap to install, it takes you to the app store, you download the app. Now, as long as you read the instructions below each app, you should be good to go, but some people don't. And that's when things start to go wrong because people just download the apps and nothing happens and they start screaming. Because they're like, oh, this is a fake top guy's hack or whatever. But that's because they're not Top Heroes hack, but they're just dumb. They don't know. So you need to help them and you need to like tell all your friends that they need to do the instructions below each app. That's the biggest way that you can make sure this actually works. If you don't do it, it's not going to work. And I mean, I know you guys all want to be rich in the Top Heroes, so that's why I made this video, so you guys can learn. It's very simple, but yeah, there's just people out there that don't even read the rules and they fail. They don't get the resources. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.